Hey friends, welcome to Kusadasi Life. I hope you're well wherever you are in the world. It's Friday the 5th of April and today is the first ferry boat going to Samos. So I'm going with some friends. We're going to have a look and see a new restaurant that my friend has opened there. This restaurant will be probably one of the first restaurants there serving Turkish breakfast, English breakfast and Greek breakfast. So let's go and have a look what's going on in Samos on this first ferry boat out of Kusadasi. So we've boarded the ferry now and waiting for the rest of the people to come before we head off. The ferry here leaves around 8:15 and it will get into Samos around about 9:15. It's the fast ferry boat. Now this year there are going to be 3 ferry boats leaving daily basis. Another company, Edo, has come from Istanbul and they will also be going to Samos. The reason being that this year Turkish people can go to Samos with a visa on arrival, so of course the extra demand, now there's going to be an extra ferry every day. There are 2 decks on this ferry boat. We're on the upper deck. There is a lower deck as well. So here we are in Samos. The first ferry arrived in Samos and there's a TV crew here. I've just been interviewed by the TV crew and as you can see still a queue of people waiting to go through passport control. So this is Samos and we're gonna make our way over to my friend's restaurant, Orion Samos restaurant, which is literally 100 meters up the road from here. So I'm going to show you some of the island later on once we pick up a car and go around. So to go to the Orion Samos restaurant, come out of the harbour, turn right, go for about 100 meters and you will see the Napoli pizza place. Turn left here, turn left, and Orion Samos is located at the end. This restaurant only opened up yesterday and they are going to be open for breakfast, Turkish breakfast, English breakfast, Greek breakfast, lunch and dinners. Let's have a look inside first and then we can actually look at the menu. As we come inside here, you can see there's enough tables. Hello, how are you, Paulina?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Paulina, tell me a little bit about this restaurant. I know you only opened up yesterday.
Yes, it's quite new restaurant here, which is connecting Greek culture and Turkish culture, especially in the kitchen. I am the writer of the books with the recipes, which you can see on the walls anyway. And I know what is similar, what is not similar, and this is a place where you can find everything.
So you will be opening what times and closing what times?
It's every day from 9:30 till 4 p.m.
Yes.
And later in the evening for dinner.
And what I'm going to look at your menu anyway. Just give me an idea of what kind of things you do
specialty.
Yes.
This restaurant is schnitzel from the chicken and horos made in sweet Samos wine.
Oh, nice. Sounds very nice.
Yes, I can show you how it looks like if you want.
Yes, yes. I'm going to have a look at your menu anyway
Yes,
now.
of course.
So,
this is menu in English.
right. So this is the English menu. So let's have a look what is available there. Salads, appetizers. Mussels, octopus, and let's have a look. I think this is one of the specialities, rooster in sweet Samian wine. Looks really yummy. And then we have the drinks. And then we have, where are we? Some wines. See our wines. Good selection of wines. And beers. So we have beers. Okay. So, and for breakfast, Napoleon is going to be doing the English breakfast, Turkish breakfast, and Greek breakfast as well. And also menemen, Turkish menemen. And plenty of chais. There's not many places here that do Turkish chai, so there is going to be chai here as well. So let's have a quick look at the kitchen. As you can see, it is a very, very clean kitchen. So there's more seating outside as well. So a nice Turkish breakfast. Orhan, enjoy your Turkish breakfast. I'm gonna have my English breakfast. So here we have an English breakfast.
Okay.
And the chef is here also. Great.
Hello everyone.
Pauline, I just want to say thank you very much for everything, and I wish you much success with your new
Thank you
business.
so much. It's new style, new type restaurant here.
Yes.
The first one actually on Samos, which you can have English breakfast because you cannot find anywhere here, and Turkish breakfast and Turkish tea.
Oh, great. And Greek breakfast also.
Of course, Greek breakfast is the
All
best
right.
one.
Okay, I wish you much success with this
Thank you
business.
so much.
So here we are going from Wati to Pythagorio by bus. So our first experience of traveling by bus from Wati to Pythagorio. It's €2 from here to Pythagorio. This is Pythagorio.
Hello, morning.
This is Orhan. We're going to look for Suleiman. Well, this is the boat that my friend has bought, and this is the boat we're going to be taking back to Kusadasi tomorrow. So we're going to sleep the night on the boat tonight, have a party on the boat, and then tomorrow morning we're going to head back to Kusadasi on this boat. Of course, you got to have ouzo. You can't have a Greek meal without ouzo. Hey, Sammy!
Hi,
Orhan.
Yes, please. How are you?
93'lerde. İzmir'de dedim denetmedim yani tekniği. Bütün Atina'dan öğrenci üniversite grubu bilmem ne altından.
Time to go back to Kusadasi now. We have Captain Cenk. Captain Cenk who will take us back to Kusadasi.
Yavaşlayayım mı? Bilmiyorum şu anda kimde? Boş.
I see the ferry boat has arrived from Kusadasi. I believe there are 3 coming today, and this is the first one that's already here. So, bye bye, Samos. See you next time. The waves are quite high. As you can see, it's a little bit
Hello, how are you?
Hello, Orhan. Hello, Sami.
Hi, Dan, how are you?
Good.
How's it going? Good?
Trip is good. Trip is good. Thank you. And Captain Cenk is relaxing. We're on autopilot, so he's relaxing now.
Bizim şeyimiz olan
Just passing Blue Star ferries. We are back in Kusadasi.
saçmalıyoruz ya. Ama istediğin kadar çekin. Tamam da baba riski. Sahilden alacak biz ondan sonra arama bilmem ne. Haydi Türk personelinden gelsen neyse.